Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I am bringing you guys another hair protein mask. Yes, this hair protein mask is very good when it comes to strengthening, shining, and extreme hair growth. Yeah, so this is basically what we are gonna be using. And here I have my coconut milk. Yes, I decided to add coconut milk this time, and then I'm gonna be adding 1 egg. Guys, if you already have a thick hair, you don't have to add egg to it. You just have to skip the egg out of it. And the next ingredient is going to be onions oil. Yes, I'm in love with this red onions oil. You guys know, if you have been washing my hair mask, protein mask, and you can literally see that I add this oil already. So yes, and the next ingredient is going to be castor oil. Castor oil have been one of the main best oil that I've been using on my hair lately, and it's really helping my hair to grow. As you guys can see on the picture, that video that I did there was actually 3 weeks ago, and then I saw a huge growth on my hair, guys. A huge growth. Even I just cut the end of my hair recently, and now it's coming back. Like, I'm just so excited. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be scooping 2.5 of this coconut milk into this little plate. Guys, I'm using a little bit of plates. You can actually use a big plate or a bowl if you want. And this coconut milk was actually in my fridge, so as you guys can see, it was a little bit hot. So in this method as well, you can just add them into a blender if you really want to blend them. If you don't want to go to this process that I'm doing here, you can add this all these ingredients together in a blender, and you can just blend them together. I think it will be the easiest way to do it. And then I will be adding my egg. Like I said, if you have a strong hair already, you have a thick hair, you actually don't need any egg at all, because this egg is really strengthening my hair. My hair is very light. Okay, that's the reason why I'm adding a lot of egg to strengthen my hair. And then I will be adding 1.5 spoon of onions oil, and then I will be adding another 1.5 spoon of castor oil. Guys, you can also go ahead and use black Jamaica castor oil if you have that in hand. It's also fine. And if you want to add more oil into this mask, you can also add more oil into the mask. And if you don't have all this oil as well, you can also use any oil that you have. This is basically the oil that my hair is really in love with recently. That's the reason why I just wanted to keep it simple to add only these 2 oil. You can add coconut oil, or you can add olive oil if you want. Like I said, you can blend everything together in the blender, and then the mask is ready to use. So this is my hair, guys, and I treated the hair, let me say, yesterday evening. I treat the hair with hot oil treatment. If you guys want to see how I make the hot oil treatment, just let me know in the comment section, and I can also do a video for that. And yes, and after that, I'm gonna be sectioning my hair and putting the mask just session by session. And you can go ahead and detangle the hair with your hands, with your fingers, or you can detangle the hair with a detangled comb. Yes. So yes guys, after I applied the mask on my hair, and now I'm just going to comb the hair, and I'm using this detangling comb that I bought from Zalando. Guys, this comb is so nice. When it comes to my hair, is really a rubber hair. My hair, the coil is really, I don't know what to call it. It's so difficult, and you really need a good detangling comb that can really help you. I have been trying to get me some. I was watching a lot of YouTubers and what type of comb do they use, what type of comb they use for their hair. But then I come across this one in Zalando, and it was on sale. Yes, it was on sale, and then I was so lucky to find this comb. It was actually like 20 Swiss francs, I think. It was even on sale. So even one of my friend already told me about one. I will be showing that to you guys again later. But this one, because it has a handle on it, it was just easy to manipulate with your hair. And this comb is amazing. I love this comb. It was really doing a good job, and just as you guys can see, it was really good. This is what I use now to comb my kids' hair, and it's really not hard on your hair, and you can just start combing the hair from the tip. And then if you like, you can use this other big comb that I'm using here as well. But for me, I feel I know this one, the detangling one, is just the best. The comb is really good. I will be linking everything in the description box if you guys want to check it out. I know a lot of people also like to use their fingers to detangle their hair. I was actually doing that before. I was using only my fingers to detangle my hair. But guys, the day I was combing the hair, if I use a finger to detangle my hair, the next time I will comb my hair, oh my god, a lot of hair was just coming out, and I was like, no, this is not working at all. But when I come across this detangling comb, this is just the best. I don't have to have any other extra kinking hair inside, so because I already combed everything together, so yeah. So if you're new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, in this channel we do especially a lot of workouts, yes, and also we do how to grow your natural hair. I do love to do a lot of homemade, how to grow your natural hair homemade at home. Okay, so if you are interested, you don't want to go crazy buying products, this channel is for you. Be putting all this video in the description box. You can go and check them out, and yeah. So yes, now I detangle all the hair that I sectioned, and now I'm gonna be covering the hair with my plastic bag, and then you can let the hair stay in your hair for 45 to 1 hour if you have time, and then you can wash it out. So this is basically the comb I was talking about, guys. This comb is really good. Trust me, this detangling comb. This one was the other one that I was having before, just because it was that tiny, and it was a little bit hard to manipulate, because this one has this handle, so I find it a little bit easier to use on my hair. So yeah, this is my hair. This hair, like, I was so happy when I saw the growth. I was so excited, to be honest. I didn't expect that my hair is gonna grow like this, you know. The hair really grow a little inch. Yes, I'm so excited. Yes, as you guys can see, the length, it's really good to be taking a pictures and taking a video. This other one was actually with the fenugreek powder, and then I just cornrowed the hair. After I put the fenugreek powder on my hair, I cornrowed the hair for 2 to 3 weeks, and then I wash it again. And then, like I'm also gonna be doing now, after washing this protein out of my hair, and I will cornrow the hair, and I will use a week, and then after 2 to 3 weeks I will do another mask again. That's all, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe for more video, and in the meantime, hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye.